Hello, friends and students who are watching this. So today I intended to show you how to calculate quadratic equations without using the quadratic formula. And it means that if we find the value of x and then we substitute it in the equation, then the solution should be equal to 0. And therefore we move. Now, all of us, we know that all quadratic equations are in form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. And this is obvious. This is always the form of a quadratic equation. And now in solving such a case or in solving such a solution, the first thing you need to do, we have to look at the product and the sum. And now the product is always the value of a multiplied by the value of c, and the sum is always the value of b. And now in our equation here, as you can see, our product will be 1 times 12, 1 times 12, which is 12, and our sum is always 7. And now we are supposed to now think this is the product and this is the sum. Now, you are supposed to think of the two numbers, which when you multiply, they give you 12, and when you add them, they give you 7. For instance, I decided to take 4 and 3. These are my two values. If I multiply 4 by 3, I get 12, which is our product. And if I say 4 plus 3, it gets 7, which is our sum. And so my two digits are 4 and 3. And now we come with your values, and then you replace these values in the place where we have bx. Is there we substitute these values. And therefore now, in our equation now, it will come and it will look like this. We have x squared plus, now you took the one value of the new of the digits you have found, which is 4. You say it's 4x plus 3x plus 12 is equals to 0. And then now we need to factorize, or we use the factorization method to find the value of x. And now in factorization, we come and we pair them into two, like we take this and we take this. That is, now we come and take x squared plus 4x. Then we have 3x plus 12 is equals to 0. When we do factorization like here, we look for a common digit or for a common number, where in this case we have that our common digit here will have x, so that when we factor out x, we remain here with x plus 4. Yes, I've already factored out x, so this is a simplified form of this. And then I also come here and I factor out, if here I can have plus 3, so that when I factor out, I have x plus 4. Yeah, this is the simplified form of this, is equals to 0. Since this and this one are the same, I just take 1x plus 4, and then I take x plus 3, this x plus this 3, and then I factor them out like that, and then I have 0. So once this after factorization, you get this as your result, which is the short form of our equation, which we are given as the equation. And now to calculate the value of x, you come and first of all you take this and you say x plus 4, you get is equals to 0. And therefore when you bring this one this side, when it crosses the equal sign, because it is positive now, it returns to be negative, which is x is equals to 0 minus 4. And therefore the first value of x will be equals x negative 4. Then we go to the next, which is x plus 3 is equals to 0. This 3 we bring it on the other side, this side, so that when it crosses the equal sign, it becomes x plus 3. Okay, x is equal, okay, I'm sorry, x is equals to 0 minus 3, where you get x is equals to negative 3. And therefore our values of x becomes negative 2, negative 4, or the second value of x can be negative 3, and this becomes our solutions. And therefore, that is how to solve quadratic equations by factorization method. The method I've just shown just above, or I've just shown this in this video, is all about factorization method. Thank you very much for watching. More and more is coming. Continue following me.